In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Hitpay with Shopify. This guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll be ready to start processing payments smoothly on your Shopify store using Hitpay. So, let's dive right in. To begin, we need to install the Hitpay Shopify app. First, navigate to the Hitpay Shopify app page. You can do this by opening your web browser and searching for Hitpay Shopify app, or going directly if you have the link. Once you are on the app page, you'll notice a clear button labeled Add App. This is your gateway to getting Hitpay up and running. When you're ready, go ahead and click Add App. This action will start the installation process. You'll be prompted by Shopify to confirm that you indeed want to add this app to your store. Don't worry, these prompts are standard procedure whenever you're integrating a new service into your Shopify environment. It ensures that everything is legitimate and that additional charges, if any, are made clear up front. As you proceed, follow the prompts carefully. You'll likely see options that ask for specific permissions or details about your Shopify store. It's important to review these permissions to understand what access you're granting. Hitpay will need certain permissions to operate effectively, so ensure it aligns with what you're expecting. Once you've reviewed everything and feel confident, continue through the installation process. Throughout this installation, maintain focus on the prompts, which might ask for certain confirmations or details about your store's operations. It's crucial that these details accurately reflect your current setup. This will ensure a seamless connection between Hitpay and your Shopify store. Once the installation is successful, you'll receive a confirmation either on the app page or through a notification. This confirmation signifies that the foundational work is complete. The Hitpay app should now appear among the other installed apps in your Shopify admin dashboard. Take a moment to navigate back to your Shopify admin panel and locate the Hitpay app. At this point, if you're familiar with using third-party apps within Shopify, you're probably aware that some further configuration might be necessary to align Hitpay's functionality with your store's unique requirements. Take time to explore the app settings to customize it to suit your workflow. Setting up payment gateways can sometimes be a process of trial and error. If you ever feel uncertain, you can leverage Shopify's resources or reach out to Hitpay's support for tailored guidance. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully integrated Hitpay with Shopify, paving the way to a seamless payment experience for your customers. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other content for more tips and tricks. Until next time, best of luck with your Shopify store.